Namaskaram. I'm SriDeep and welcome to Blossom Your Way. I'm so glad you're here. This space is all about growing what matters, whether that's in your garden, your home, or your life. I live in Adelaide, South Australia, where I balance work and life with two energetic boys, which is, I feel, an adventure in itself. A few years ago, I started rethinking the way we were living. Just the pace of it all, what were we eating, and just what our priorities were. I must honestly say that that reflection led me into the garden and eventually much more. We actually live in a very cozy suburban home in Adelaide, which doesn't really have much land space at all. When I say doesn't, it just doesn't. But over time, I managed to turn a few pots into garden beds. And today, we grow a mix of seasonal vegetables, especially South Indian ones, because they connect us back to our roots. And it's just brought so much joy and good food into our lives. But somewhere along the way, though, this became more than just gardening. I just found myself leaning into decluttering, making conscious choices, and strangely embracing sustainability and living slower. It's not perfect, but it just became much more intentional. So, here on this channel, what you will be finding is you'll find our journey of transforming a suburban front lawn into a productive edible garden, along with reflections on sustainable living, intentional habits, and I'll take you on a journey as well to some of the most beautiful places we have visited and some of the places that we plan to visit. I just want to let you know though that life here isn't really perfect. It's very messy, it's very real, and it's very, very full on. But I feel that that's what makes it very beautiful. I just want to let you know that I'm actually still learning in the garden, even at my home, and also in life generally. And I would love to be able to share that journey with you. The first series that will be on this channel is called Space Reform, and it's a step-by-step story of how our garden came to life. If you enjoy honest storytelling, conscious living, and a little inspiration to try something new, you're in the right place. I always like to say, please remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to begin.